Hi everyone, welcome back to LK Dinner Time. If you're new here, we're all about sharing recipes that are simple, delicious, and most importantly, healthy. In today's fast-paced world, eating right is key to staying energized, especially in the mornings. That's why we've got the perfect recipe for you. A vibrant beetroot smoothie that's a lifesaver for busy mornings, especially for moms who want a quick, wholesome breakfast option. Trust me, you're going to love it. Stick around till the end to see how this gorgeous drink comes together. Let's dive in. We're starting with the star of our recipe, 250 grams of fresh beetroot. Peel it, slice it into smaller pieces, and you'll immediately notice its rich, earthy color. Beetroot doesn't just look good, it's packed with natural sweetness and nutrition to fuel your day. Next up, bananas. Peel a couple of them and slice them up. Bananas are the secret to that creamy, dreamy texture, and they bring in a subtle sweetness that perfectly complements the beetroot. And here's a twist, papaya. Slice it into chunks for a tropical burst of flavor. These three ingredients come together beautifully, creating a smoothie that's both nutritious and delicious. Now, it's time to blend. Add the beetroot pieces to the blender and pour in just enough milk to cover them, about 500 milliliters in total. Blend this for 2 to 3 minutes until it's smooth and creamy. Look at that gorgeous texture. Now, gradually add the banana slices and papaya chunks, one at a time, blending after each addition. Can you see how rich and thick it's becoming? This is the kind of smoothie that feels like a treat but is 100% good for you. We're not done yet. Add 150 milliliters of creamy yogurt. It's going to take the flavor and thickness to the next level. For a natural touch of sweetness, add 2 teaspoons of bee honey. Trust me, this step is a game changer. And here's the best part. This recipe is completely sugar-free. The fruits and beetroot provide all the sweetness you need, but if you like, you can add a tiny bit of sugar to suit your taste. Finally, pour in the remaining milk and give it one last blend. And there it is, your vibrant, pink, velvety smooth breakfast smoothie. Isn't it stunning? The color, the texture, the flavor, it's all perfect. And let me tell you, it tastes even better than it looks. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to LK Dinner Time for more quick and healthy recipes. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting dish. Until then, enjoy your delicious smoothie and have a fantastic day.